Replacing your Kohler bathroom faucet cartridge, a DIY guide. Replacing a leaky or stiff bathroom faucet. Cartridge is a straightforward project that can save you a service call fee. Here is the step-by-step process for a standard Kohler installation. Preparation, tools and materials. Before you begin, gather the following items. Replacement part, Kohler GP77005 faucet cartridge. Tools, adjustable wrench or channel lock pliers. Phillips or flathead screwdriver. Optional, cartridge puller. Highly recommended if the old unit is seized. Maintenance, plumber's grease for a smooth seal and longer lifespan. Cleanup, a towel to protect the basin and a small bucket to catch residual water. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1, shut off the water. Locate the shut-off valves under the sink and turn them clockwise to close. Once off, turn the faucet handle to the on position to bleed out any remaining water pressure in the lines. Place your bucket or towel directly under the faucet assembly to catch any drips. Step 2, remove the handle. Unscrew the faucet handle. Depending on your specific model, this usually involves unscrewing the cap or handle body counterclockwise. Set the handle aside in a safe spot. Step 3, remove the retainer ring. The cartridge is secured by a retainer ring. Using your wrench or pliers, carefully turn the ring counterclockwise to unscrew it. Be mindful of the surrounding finish to avoid scratching the faucet body. Step 4, extract the old cartridge. Once the retainer is removed, pull the cartridge straight out. If it feels stuck due to mineral buildup, use a cartridge puller to wiggle it free without damaging the valve seat. Step 5, install the new cartridge. Apply a thin layer of plumber's grease to the O-rings of your new Kohler GP77005 cartridge. Insert the new cartridge, ensuring it is properly aligned with the grooves inside the valve body. Press it into place and tighten it securely. Step 6, reassemble. Reverse your steps to finish. 1, thread the retainer ring back on and tighten it firmly. 2, screw the faucet handle back onto the assembly. 3, slowly turn the water supply valves back on and test the faucet for smooth operation and leaks. If you found this trick helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to AutoCare. Secret for more pro tips to keep your car running smooth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.